We're gonna jump right into this video. A few people have asked me how much does it cost to have your wisdom teeth removed? And of course, it depends on the doctor you go to. It depends on your insurance. Me personally, I have Blue Cross Blue Shield. I'm also a veteran, so I could have had this procedure done for free if I would have went to the VA. But I'm not going to say any reasons, but I did not want to go through them. And so I went to Dr. Zane. I'm going to put his information on the screen as well. He's located in Jacksonville, Florida. He did a great job. But we're going to jump right into this video, and I'm going to give you the price breakdown on how much it cost me with insurance and without insurance. And like I said, this varies depending on your insurance. And also, before you go to a specialist like this, they're going to send you to a regular dentist, and then the regular dentist is going to give you a referral, and then they're going to send you to the specialist, just in case some of you guys may not know. All right, we're going to go ahead and jump into this itemization of these charges. So if you don't have insurance, what you'll be paying is $454 for each tooth. Mind you, I had all my wisdom teeth pulled plus an additional tooth. And so if you didn't have insurance, you'd be paying $454 per tooth. I had insurance, so after my insurance kicked in, it was $33 per tooth. Next, we're gonna jump to the sedation. Only way I was having this surgery was if they put me to sleep. And so essentially for each 15 minutes of sedation, it's $235 without insurance. If you have insurance, that's $21.80. And so they had to put me to sleep for an hour. And so that's 235 times 4, or the 2180 times 4 if you have insurance. Next is the biopsy of the oral tissue. Without insurance, $587. With insurance is $50. And mind you, I had an abscess removal also. This does not include the biopsy for the abscess. That was an additional $190 that the insurance does not cover, and that is not listed on this sheet. Depending where you're at, they're going to send that off to like a lab somewhere, maybe like a LabCorp. I think mine went to UNF, and that's where they test that and bill you separately. Okay, they also give you a sedation, and that's $132 without insurance and $50 with insurance. And that's a separate sedation from the one where they put you to sleep. Now here's where it gets a little bit more interesting. Now these are things that you don't necessarily need. You have the bone graft, and then you have this the one where it says aid tissue, and then you have the extra drug sedations. Now I opted not to have any of that because, for one, the price was getting ridiculous. And so let's just add all this up. If you take everything on that sheet without insurance, it was going to come to $5,052. With insurance, if you opt to have everything listed, it would have been $1,150.20. Me, I chose to opt out of those bottom 4. And so without the bottom 4, like I said, that was the extra sedation to help you with the pain afterwards, the bone graft, and that aid tissue. Honestly, I don't even remember what that was, but essentially I ended up paying the $352 because I opted out of the last 4. And so hopefully someone finds this video helpful. And once again, with no insurance, you're looking at around $5,052. With insurance, $1,150.20. And like I said, if you opt out of those last 4 like I did, $352. So hopefully this video has been helpful to someone, informative. Subscribe, like, and share the video. I tried to make it as short and sweet as possible. Also, just a final reminder, remember guys, I had an extra tooth and abscess removal as well, and so yours may be a little cheaper. And like I said, once again, it depends on the dentist you go to and the type of insurance you have.